Can you go say hi to Santa? Go up and say hi. You can touch him. Go touch his beard. Go say hi, Santa. Come on. Look. You can touch him. Santa brings you toys. Go see Santa. Say hi, Santa. No, you don't want to say hi to Santa? No. Maybe later, will you say hi to Santa? No? You want to check him out from the other side? Look how nice he is. Look at him. He's got toys and presents. You don't want to go up and say hi, Santa?
Hi, Santa.
Hi, Santa. Say, hey, Santa. You gonna bring me toys? Just go up and say, hi, Santa.
Hi, Santa.
Why don't you sing Row, Row, Row Your Boat for Santa?
Horsey.
A horsey? Oh, he's got a horsey.
Yeah.
Oh, you like horsies. What else does he have? Candy?
Oh, shoes on.
You want your shoes on. All right. We'll talk more to Santa.
Baba Santa.
You gonna say bye-bye, Santa?
Baba Santa.
Bye-bye, Santa. We're gonna keep Santa. He's gonna be here. He's yours. He's holding Santa. Can you say holding Santa?
Horsey.
Horsey. He's Holden's. Holden Santa. You want to say hi, Pap Pap?
Ha, Baba.
Say hi, Grandma.
Again.
Say thank you. Thanks for Santa. Mm-hmm. Yay. Okay, say bye-bye, Pap Pap.
Baba, Baba.
Bye-bye, Grandma.
Mama, Grandma.
Say, I like Santa.
Oh, Susan.
You want to put your shoes on?
No.
Okay, bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.